beef ribs, mushrooms, shallots, sweet peppers, garlic, potatoes. Smells absolutely wonderful. The Worcestershire sauce and the hickory smoke with the nice Atlantic sea salt is a wonderful touch. It's rich, perfectly balanced. I'm very satisfied with the way this came out. You can even add cream in the later phases of cooking and make it more of like a gravy. But man, you could even serve this on top of, let's say if you didn't put potatoes, you could serve this on top of some mashed potatoes or even some polenta, to be quite honest. Fantastic, mashallah.